the SR5 series has earned a high reputation for its overall performance. The development process revisited the basic principle that a mini excavator is not simply a compact version of a heavy equipment excavator. We comprehensively reviewed the required work performance of mini excavators in terms of excavating, swinging, loading, traveling, and dozing. The development process of repeated trial and errors using prototypes and many tests aimed to improve the overall performance of the mini excavator. The development concept of the SR5 series was to achieve improvements in work volumes, easy maintenance, durability, improved operating space, and environmental considerations. The higher work volume was achieved with the new hydraulic system called IFPS. In this new hydraulic system, the third pump flow that had been used exclusively for the dozer or swing in the previous system is merged with the arm circuit as necessary to efficiently increase engine power. In addition, combining this system with a high-powered engine delivers outstanding work performance. Backfilling and land leveling are essential tasks for a mini excavator. The SR5 fundamentally reviewed the movements in dozing operations to develop a practical dozer blade. To ensure functions such as pushing, supporting, and scooping, we looked carefully at the quality of the removed soil and conducted many tests using prototypes. This led to the designing of an original-shaped dozer blade. The ideal shape swiftly drives soil forward to promote efficiency in dozer operations. Kobelco mini excavators are manufactured at Ogaki Factory located in Gifu Prefecture. Ogaki Factory specializes in the integrated production of mini excavators from plate work, processing, painting to assembly. Innovative changes in the plant layout began in 2006, and a new assembly line was completed in 2008. The main line forming a straight line has sublines aligned at right angles. This efficient line layout ensures the production of high-quality products. Strict quality control is maintained to deliver high-quality products to our customers. In processing and plate work, robot welding promises stable quality. High precision is achieved in the machining process. The painting line conducts digital checks of the paint precision. The assembly process introduced a screw tightening error prevention device linked to a digital display. The linemen check the assembly at midpoint. Oil leak checks, travel and attachment operation checks are also done to control production quality. In order to improve quality control and skills of the production personnel, we conduct regular checks on torque wrench, provide a hands-on corner to try various tools, and have information panels on paint finish at various locations. The production personnel are making concerted efforts to improve quality control and productivity. Once the various checks are done, tests are conducted on the completed machine. Then it's finally shipped to our customer. The SR5 model has received high marks for its work performance that surpasses competitive machines. Let's look at its superior features. Kobelco aimed to realize the basic concept of earning more with a smaller machine. The new IFPS hydraulic system combined with a high-output engine produces a strong power system. The strong arm and the ideal bucket design for scooping promote efficient digging operations. Its strong travel performance allows it to move dynamically at the site and easily ride over mounds of earth. To realize high performance in soil removal, the originally designed Dozer blade is larger with a curvature that won't let soil flow over the top. The Dozer blade can be raised much higher with an approach angle of 38 degrees. The machine can easily ride up mounds of earth and be loaded into trucks. A spacious and comfortable operator's seat meets global standards. The floor area is one of the most spacious among mini excavators, and the operator's seat is large and comfortable. The wide opening of the operator's seat adopts the flip-up safety lever lock, which makes it easier to get on and off the machine. The easy-to-use layout of the display panel can be taken in at a glance. The cab type is designed with a smooth sliding type door. The entry is much wider and larger. The front window of the operator's seat is larger, giving a wider field of view to the front. It adopts the unique opening mechanism developed by Kobelco with gas damper cylinders for light and easy opening and locking. The equipment layout is designed to make daily inspections easier from the ground.